Welcome guys. If you wanna use the iPhone keyboard on your OPPO A31, let me show you how to do this. Let's go to the Google Play Store. Let's type here iPhone keyboard, and we have to download this application. Tap on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Now just open this application, tap on the allow, allow 3 times, and just skip this one, and tap on the start. Right now we have to watch this ad and just close it in the right upper corner, and right now tap on the enable. Use this marker to turn on the iPhone 11 keyboard. Tap on the done, and now tap on the switch. Choose our keyboard. Go back, tap on the messages or any other place where you can find you can use the keyboard. And as you can see, our keyboard has changed. There is also the emoji, and here we can also change the themes. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.